Theta value equivalent to 15.4180 rands a coin. The present cost range 14.7367 to 15.5790. The earlier day close 14.9828. The change was plus 0.4352, plus 2.90%. Backwards rate ZAR to Theta. Theta cost expectation for in the not-so-distant future and month. Theta cost expectation on Wednesday, June 7, cost 13.77 rands, high 14.73, low 12.81. Theta figure on Thursday, June 8, cost 13.72 rands, high 14.68, low 12.76. Theta cost expectation on Friday, June 9, cost 13.59 rands, high 14.54, low 12.64. Theta figure on Monday, June 12, cost 13.71 rands, high 14.67, low 12.75. In multi-week Theta cost expectation on Tuesday, June 13, cost 13.71 rands, high 14.67, low 12.75. Theta figure on Wednesday, June 14, cost 13.11 rands, high 14.03, low 12.19. Theta cost expectation on Thursday, June 15, cost 13.12 rands, high 14.04, low 12.20. Theta figure on Friday, June 16, cost 13.36 rands, high 14.30, low 12.42. Theta cost expectation on Monday, June 19, cost 13.79 rands, high 14.76, low 12.82. In about 14 days Theta figure on Tuesday, June 20, cost 13.89 rands, high 14.86, low 12.92. Theta cost expectation on Wednesday, June 21, cost 13.76 rands, high 14.72, low 12.80. Theta figure on Thursday, June 22, cost 13.82 rands, high 14.79, low 12.85. Theta cost forecast on Friday, June 23, cost 13.44 rands, high 14.38, low 12.50. Theta estimate on Monday, June 26, cost 13.81 rands, high 14.78, low 12.84. In 3 weeks Theta cost forecast on Tuesday, June 27, cost 13.87 rands, high 14.84, low 12.90. Theta estimate on Wednesday, June 28, cost 13.10 rands, high 14.02, low 12.18. Theta cost forecast on Thursday, June 29, cost 12.88 rands, high 13.78, low 11.98. Theta estimate on Friday, June 30, cost 13.08 rands, high 14.00, low 12.16. Theta cost forecast on Monday, July 3, cost 13.01 rands, high 13.92, low 12.10. In about a month Theta estimate on Tuesday, July 4, cost 13.54 rands, high 14.49, low 12.59. Theta cost forecast on Wednesday, July 5, cost 13.46 rands, high 14.40, low 12.52. Theta estimate on Thursday, July 6, cost 13.80 rands, high 14.77, low 12.83. Theta value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Theta cost forecast for June 2023. In the first place, cost at 16.44 rands. Exorbitant cost 16.89, while low cost 11.98. The found the middle value of cost 14.60. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 13.08. Change for June 20.4%. Theta gauge for July 2023. In the first place, cost at 13.08 rands. Exorbitant cost 14.77, while low cost 10.61. The found the middle value of cost 12.47. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 11.41. Change for July 12.8%. Theta cost expectation for August 2023. In the first place, cost at 11.41 rands. Exorbitant cost 11.41, while low cost 9.66. The found the middle value of cost 10.72. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 10.39. Change for August 8.9%. Theta gauge for September 2023. In the first place, cost at 10.39 rands. Exorbitant cost 10.84, while low cost 9.42. The found the middle value of cost 10.20. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 10.13. Change for September 2.5%. Theta cost expectation for October 2023. To start with cost at 10.13 rands, exorbitant cost 10.13, while low cost 8.46. They found the middle value of cost 9.46. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 9.10. Change for October 10.2%. Theta estimate for November 2023. To start with cost at 9.10 rands, exorbitant cost 11.22, while low cost 9.10. They found the middle value of cost 9.98. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 10.49. Change for November 15.3%. Theta cost expectation for December 2023. To start with cost at 10.49 rands, exorbitant cost 13.02, while low cost 10.49. They found the middle value of cost 11.54. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 12.17. Change for December 16.0%. Theta figure for January 2024. Initially cost at 12.17 rands. Excessive cost 12.17, while low cost 9.50. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 11.02. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 10.22. Change for January 16.0%. Theta cost expectation for February 2024. Initially cost at 10.22 rands. Excessive cost 10.22, while low cost 7.98. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 9.25. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 8.58. Change for February 16.0%. Theta figure for WOC 2024. Initially cost at 8.58 rands. Excessive cost 10.06, while low cost 8.58. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 9.16. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 9.40. Change for spring 9.6%. Theta cost expectation for April 2024. Initially cost at 9.40 rands. Excessive cost 9.90, while low cost 8.60. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 9.29. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 9.25. Change for April 1.6%. Theta gauge for May 2024. Before all else cost at 9.25 rands. Excessive cost 9.25, while low cost 7.67. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 8.61. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 8.25. Change for May 10.8%. Theta cost expectation for June 2024. Before all else cost at 8.25 rands. Excessive cost 10.07, while low cost 8.25. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 9.00. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 9.41. Change for June 14.1%. ZAR to Theta conversion standard equivalent to 0.0649 coins per 1 rand. The present reach 0.0642 minus 0.0679. The earlier days nearby 0.0667. Change for now 0.0018. 2.70%. Rand to Theta estimate on Wednesday, June 7, cost 0.073 coins, high 0.078, low 0.068. ZAR to